I'm grateful. It's such a beautiful place. And when I'm there, the beauty of the place, communing with nature, it's so much bigger than all of us. It's actually a very simple and very basic feeling that I feel when I'm there, and that's what I appreciate. It's that just sitting and just experiencing it.
Going to Angelfields, you touch the soil, feel the trees, smell the air, the herbs that they've planted there. You see the animals. There are so many reasons, but all I can say it's because of the beauty of the place.